All right. I'm going to go over our Marketwatch game. And first off, say, Marketwatch, you let me down. Last week, UCO had a reverse stock split, and Johnny Kerr was holding UCO, and it counted it as him 25xing his value, which is completely wrong. So Marketwatch stock game has been around for at least 7 years, because I remember playing it back in 2013. And it is really disappointing that they did not program that in. So I'm just going to have you take a look. Right here, you'll see, okay, UCO, he bought it on April 7th for $2.45, and he sold it on April 21st for $23.68. They had a 25-to-1 reverse stock split on the 21st. So basically, it looks like this player sold those stocks to lock in those profits, which are not real profits. And now his value is 1.27 million. So just a bit of point of reference, if you were holding UCO when the reverse stock split happened, you would have lost a lot of money. Because right now, let's just say you even did what he did and sold it at 23. That's worth less than $1 because it was a 25-to-1 reverse stock split. So, yeah. Shame on Marketwatch for not programming that in. Anyways, so I'm going to go back to the game. And if we're looking at actual uncheating gains, I'm still ahead. Made $33,625 from my 200,000, followed closely by Seth Conder, who's made 28,000, and then followed by Caleb Frey, positive 13,000, and then Philip Elliott is down almost 50,000. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it looks like Philip put all of his money in oil, but he didn't have the luxury of having the reverse stock split. I see what he's doing. He's buying it all, and it's getting close to $1, so maybe the expectation is there's going to be a reverse stock split, and he can do the same thing that Johnny did. Yeah, it's possible. All right, I'm just going to go over my portfolio real quick. And it's right here on the right panel. So Ruth Chris is still up almost 15%. Skyworks is up a measly 3.82%. This is more of a stock that I expect to grow once 5G gets rolled out and becomes pervasive. Kroger is up 10%. I have a feeling that Berkshire Hathaway is supporting the price of the stock. It's unconfirmed, but it's just a theory. Moderna is up a lot because of their vaccine development. Procter & Gamble is staying steady. I mean, that's the watchword of Procter & Gamble is stable dividend-paying stock. Don't expect to get super rich holding Procter & Gamble, but don't expect to lose your shirt either. Walmart is up 15.8%. I think it's been buoyed by a lot of spending during these lockdowns because grocery is an essential business, but Walmart has the luxury of having other areas in their stores, which they haven't shut down, I've checked. So, for example, GameStop is shut down. It's a non-essential business. But Walmart is open, and they still have a games section where they still sell video games. So where does all the profit go for gaming, people who still buy physical games? Well, it goes to Walmart, and that has a pretty good profit ratio. Clorox is up. I'm going to hold that because even after the reopening, people are going to be very sensitive to cleaning supplies, and they're going to be buying more and using more. Teva, I don't know why I still have this. I have a token amount in here, but it also has gone up because TIBA is also working on a vaccine. So it's worth taking a look at number 2 as well. All right, so Seth Condor sort of diversified his portfolio. Looks like he hasn't really changed anything. It's still the same as last week. China Mobile, that's new. So he's invested in China Mobile a bit. Yeah, this is another, the REIT we already went over last week. Let's just check this. First Majestic Silver. That's new. Silver Company, okay. AG, symbol AG. Let's see what BEP, Brookfield Renewable Partners. I think this is like a renewable energy REIT. All right, well, that's that. And then the last one I'm going to go over is Caleb Phrase. All right, he still has Google and Amazon. He hasn't really, I don't think he's changed at all. Yeah, he literally just bought some Google and Amazon, and actually kept most in cash. So yes. Well, I hope you enjoyed this update. You can still join the virtual stock game. I am upset that they didn't account correctly for the reverse stock split, but what can you do? I could remove that player, but it's not their fault that Marketwatch messed up. Hope you all have a good week going forward, and maybe next week I'll have a new video over something new to learn. But this is just an update. So have a good one, everyone. Bye.